Hello, my dear ones, welcome back to my channel Innovative Learning with Samina. Today, I'm going to tell you 3 different ways through which you can find HCF, which stands for Highest Common Factor. It is also known as GCF, which stands for Greatest Common Factor. So, let's begin. There are 3 different methods to find highest common factor. First, listing factors. Second, prime factorization. And third, division method. Let us now try to find out the HCF by first method, which is by listing factors of the given numbers. The first question is, find the HCF of 8 and 12. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. And the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now there are certain factors which are common in both 8 and 12. We call them common factors of 8 and 12. They are 1, 2 and 4. Now in these common factors, 4 is the highest common factor. So the HCF of 4 and 12 is 4. Now to find the HCF of more than 2 numbers, we follow the same rules. First, we will list the factors of 8, 12 and 14. Then we will look for the common factors, which are 1 and 2. Now between 1 and 2, the highest common factor is 2. So the HCF of 8, 12 and 14 is 2. Now we will try to find the HCF by prime factorization method. So the question is to find the HCF of 8 and 12. To solve this question, we will do prime factorization by factor tree method. Let's draw a factor tree for the number 8. After writing number 8, draw 2 lines and write the number 8 in terms of its 2 factors. Remember, one factor should always be a prime number. So here, 2 times 4 is 8. Now 2 cannot be further divided as it's a prime number. So we will move forward and write 4 in terms of its 2 factors. That is 2 into 2. Now numbers cannot be further divided as they are prime numbers, so we will stop here. Let's now draw a factor tree for the number 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Now 2 cannot be further divided as it's a prime number, so we will move forward again and write 6 in terms of its 2 factors, that is 2 into 3. Now numbers cannot be further divided, so we will stop here. So the factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3. Now the common factors of 8 and 12 are 2 and 2. So the HCF of 8, 12 will be the product of its factors. So the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. To find the HCF of more than 2 numbers by prime factorization, we follow the same rules. First, we will draw a factor tree for the number 8. (12) and 14. We will now list the factors of 8, 12 and 14. The common factors of 8, 12 and 14 is 2. So the HCF of 8, 12 and 14 is 2. Let us now try to find the HCF by using division method. The question is to find the HCF of 8 and 12. So first we will find the bigger number, which is 12, and divide it with a smaller number, which is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So 12 does not fall in the table of 8, and we cannot take 16 as it is bigger than 12. So we will take 1 times 8, which is 8. Now we will subtract 8 from 12 and we will get 4 as the remainder. Now this remainder will become our divisor and previous divisor will become our next dividend. Now we will divide 4 and 8. 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So last divisor, which is 4, is the HCF of 8 and 12. Let us find the HCF of more than 2 numbers by using division method. The question is, find the HCF of 8, 12 and 14. First, we are going to find the HCF of any two of the given numbers. Let's take 8 and 12. So the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Now we will find the HCF of the third number, that is 14, and the HCF of 8 and 12, that is 4, by dividing these numbers. So 14 does not fall in the table of 4. So we will take a number which is smaller than 14. We will take 4 times 3, which is 12. Now we will subtract 12 from 14. So 14 minus 12 is 2. Now 2 will become our next divisor and 4 will become our next dividend. We will divide these numbers. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So the last divisor is our HCF. So the HCF of 8, 12 and 14 is 2. Did you notice anything? To find the HCF of 8 and 12, we use different methods, but still answer is same, and same is the case with the other question. We got the same answer though we use different methods, so you can use any of these methods to find the highest common factor, that is HCF. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.